The thrill of the deal, traveling on a budget. It's an exhilarating feeling, knowing you're about to embark on an adventure without spending a fortune. Traveling the world doesn't have to break the bank. With careful planning and a bit of creativity, you can explore new destinations affordably. There's a special thrill in finding a great deal on a flight. It's like discovering a hidden treasure that opens up endless possibilities. It's like unlocking a secret door to adventure. Every dollar saved is another opportunity to experience something new and exciting. With a few savvy strategies, you can become a master bargain hunter and jet set without emptying your wallet. From booking flights at the right time to finding affordable accommodations, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to discover hidden gems and soak in diverse cultures, all while keeping your finances in check. Enjoy local cuisines, participate in festivals, and immerse yourself in the local way of life. Let's dive into the world of travel hacks and unlock the secrets to cheap flights. From using travel apps to joining loyalty programs, we'll cover it all. Date flexibility. Your ticket to savings. Being open to different travel dates can make a huge difference in your travel budget. One of the easiest ways to find cheaper flights is to be flexible with your travel dates. Shifting your trip by just a day or two can uncover significant savings. Airlines often adjust prices based on demand. This means that prices can vary greatly depending on the time of year, day of the week, and even the time of day. Flying during the off-season or shoulder season can result in significant savings. These periods often have fewer tourists, making for a more relaxed experience. For example, traveling to Europe in the spring or fall instead of the peak summer months can save you hundreds of dollars. Plus, you'll enjoy milder weather and fewer crowds. Weekdays are generally cheaper than weekends. Flying on a Tuesday or Wednesday can often be much more affordable than a Friday or Sunday. Red-eye flights might not be glamorous, but they can be easy on the wallet. These late-night flights are often less expensive and can help you save on accommodation costs for that night. Fare alerts. Your personal deal hunter, always on the lookout for the best prices. Setting fare alerts is like having your own personal assistant scouring the internet for the best flight prices, tirelessly working to find you the best deals. Various travel websites and apps offer this handy feature, making it easier than ever to stay informed about price drops. Simply enter your desired destination and travel dates, and let the technology do the rest. You'll receive instant notifications when prices drop, allowing you to book at the perfect time. This saves you the hassle of constantly checking for deals and ensures you never miss out on a bargain, giving you peace of mind and more time to plan your trip. Incognito mode. Outsmarting the price hike. Have you ever noticed that flight prices seem to increase when you repeatedly search for the same route? This is because airlines sometimes use cookies to track your browsing activity. By browsing in incognito mode, you can prevent websites from tracking your searches. This can help you find lower prices, especially if you've been eyeing a particular flight. Alternative airports, your secret weapon. When searching for flights, don't limit yourself to the most obvious airport. Checking alternative airports in your departure and arrival cities can uncover hidden deals. For instance, flying into a smaller airport slightly farther from your final destination might offer significantly cheaper fares. Factor in the cost of transportation to and from the airport to ensure it's still a good deal. Comparison websites. Your flight search engine. Flight comparison websites are your best friends when hunting for cheap flights. These websites aggregate data from multiple airlines, allowing you to compare prices and find the best deals. Popular options include Kayak, Skyscanner, and Google Flights. Be sure to check several websites to ensure you're getting the most comprehensive results. Budget airlines flying light on your wallet. Budget airlines offer bare-bones fares that can be significantly cheaper than traditional airlines. They achieve this by charging extra for amenities like checked bags, seat selection, and in-flight meals. If you're traveling light and don't mind forgoing some frills, Budget airlines can be a fantastic way to save money. Just be sure to factor in any additional costs before booking. The world awaits. Embrace affordable adventures. Remember, traveling the world doesn't have to be a luxury reserved for the wealthy. By employing these simple yet effective travel hacks, you can unlock incredible flight deals and embrace the joy of affordable adventures. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next getaway today and experience the thrill of exploring our beautiful planet without breaking the bank.